Hi there, this is our Jones and Shipman cylindrical grinder. It's model 1311. This came out of a university, and in regards to second hand, yes, it's second hand, but it's everything about it's like new. I can't find any evidence of grinding dust or marks on any of the guards where they normally would through use. So it's very much been used over its life as a teaching aid, and may not have even ever done any grinding. So yeah, so that's its condition. It's an external cylindrical grinder. It's got the swivelling head. The main spindle shaft has got provision to have a stone this side, and there are some stone, some bits and pieces and accessories that you'll see. It doesn't have the internal attachment, but I imagine that if you could acquire parts, you could fit that. The chuck setup here has got 8 speeds for that chuck drive for your workpiece. Got your tail stock, etc. So I'll start from the back here. You'll see with the photos the accessories of the coolant system, etc. Got your power box here, wee manual lube here. It's tidy under here. You've got your 8 speeds, emergency stop. Your controls for your hydraulic pumps, your main grinding wheel, and then your chuck, your work drive. So there that is in manual. It's beautiful to move that table back and forward. If I turn that, it's got the wee micro adjustment for that control as well. In and out there is nice to move. It's got the fine and the rapid control there. The tailstock's in good condition, and also that chuck looks good, that work drive as well. It's got the swivel table on it, and yes, all round here is very, very tidy, and so is the back on that side. I don't have any of the coolant system connected at the moment, so I'll start the hydraulic pump up. That's the hydraulic pump ticking over. It's really tidy. You'll see a photo of that inside there. There's the workpiece, the work drive going there, and now I'll start up the main spindle. There's the main spindle there. So those are the functions working there. I've just started the table on a traverse, going back and forward. It's operating nicely and it's switching over nicely as well. And now I've just engaged the cross feed, so it's feeding across. So it's pretty much doing all of its functions there, traversing and cross feeding. And if I stop that cross feed, which I have, stop the table, turn that there, and now I've gone and made it come in and plough grind, so that grinding wheel, etc. Head is coming in and plough grinding. So that's probably most of its features there. Stop that work head, stop the main spindle, stop the hydraulic pump. So there it is. The quality is well known. This one, as I say, you know, it's hard to see that it's done very much work at all. Everything seems to tick over nicely, and yeah, there it goes.